Hi Fizz, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good morning, good afternoon and good night. Say hello, baby.
Good morning.
What is today? What is today?
July number
4. Happy 4th of the July to all you Americans. So while we're here, let's just bask into your 4th of July glory, shall we? And if you guys are watching our channel for the first time, we are in beautiful New Jersey on vacation. We won't only be in New Jersey, but at the moment we are in New Jersey. So we are heading out with the fam bam to enjoy a little bit of the American festivity for the 4th of July. We didn't do barbecue today as the usual American would have done, but we did barbecue yesterday. So we tapped that out today and we're heading out to enjoy whatever is out there. So I'm taking you guys along with me, of course, to enjoy the day or the afternoon. It's actually after 6 p.m. right now and we're just about to head out. So enjoy today's vlog. Subscribe to the fam bam if it's your first time. Catch up and keep up with us, and of course we'll see you guys
along the day.
Along the day. Sarah, look at my girl in her American color, blue and red. Yes, say good morning, babes.
Good morning.
You guys will see the rest of the fam bam as we go along. So, see you guys later.
Get good.
Okay, you guys, so we're at the 4th of July fair. Let me take off my glasses so you guys can see my beautiful eyes. With the fam bam, you have Tyler the cranky. Just wake up. Say hello to Faves. You're tired, but still say hello. Very good. Then you have Papa representing in his US colors. And then you have Sarah. Say hello, Faves. Yes, and you have my handsome brother. Say hello, brother. And then the rest of the fam bam is in the car. Olivia is sleeping, so you guys will see Olivia and everybody else later. But yeah, we are here. We're gonna experience the fireworks, and there are some food trucks here which I'm looking forward to, and I came with my belly empty. So yes, I'm looking forward to it. I just missed my US flag outfit, but I chose the closest outfit to represent. I put a little red lip on and I threw on this nice little romper. Come show Faves my outfit of the day. Outfit of the day. Hey, outfit of.
Also, white, blue, red.
It's the French color.
Tickle him again, Ty. Tickle him again.
Just fall asleep.
Yes. Tyler, your pee-pee since before you leave home?
No.
Go right. No, there's ear in it. Sarah, look at that. He's dancing. My niece is sleeping, so we leave her to get a little rest, Anika in the car, and now we're heading to the food trucks to get some food, which I'm looking forward to. I love this kind of vibe, this kind of street food energy.
Mama,
Yes, Ty.
you don't need to say food truck for food. If we go to a food truck, the only reason why it can't be another one that get food, except if we're going to work.
Oh yeah, but I could go to the food truck to get juice.
Except if we're going to work there.
But we could go to the food truck to get juice and not food.
And we can do juice with food.
That's true. So anyway, we're going to the food truck right now and I'm so looking forward to it. So where should we start? There are 20 food trucks should be out here. So let's see.
20?
Yes, there should be 20. So let's see what kind of food they have to offer. Yeah, so let's go. Hi Peanut. Hi Peanut. Thank you.
You too.
Ooh, see Sarah's favorite truck over there, so. Oh Lord, she already see it. Sarah's favorite truck, that's enough. Alright, how do we know what kind of food these trucks sell? So we're at a food truck for ice cream for the kids right now, and we're waiting for the line, and we're waiting in line. Look at Mama. Hey. What do you want? You want?
Ice cream.
You want ice cream? You guys are in the ice cream line waiting to get ice cream for the kiddos, just so they can be quiet until I get my food. Say hello to the face.
Okay.
Look, you're not looking. There we go. Good job. You having fun? Good job. Anyway, you guys, there's a lot of like grass flies that's pitching on your foot. It's a bit annoying, but we're here to have fun. I'm so looking forward to the food though. From the food trucks, but we're gonna get the kids ice cream first. So ice cream it is. So we're at the ice cream truck.
I think 6 is for like the root beer. Thank you too. What on the vanilla? Anything?
And on the vanillas, I want rainbow, and on the strawberry gummy bear. So put back Kana in his chair. Ice cream, Kana. Ice cream. Yes, man, he's ready.
I gummy beer is it?
Oh, the gummy bear he saw. You're gonna have to give Kana some of your gummy bear, Ty. And ice cream, Papa. Yummy? Ah? Come. Put it. As I come out, the line look who rich. Leave. I didn't want to buy yours until you reach. You couldn't call me, so you're coming in. Because I'm in line. Okay, put your seat there. I was feeding him from Sarah Ondo. We're trying to get situated and get some more food. Stella's having a headache. But we're having fun all in all, having the kids running around. We wish we took a ball though. You finish? Okay, eat now, okay, slowly. That's okay. As soon as you eat, then the medicine will start working, alright? Because that's where the headache is. When you go home, you put on your glasses. Hi, Boo Boo. Hi, babe.
Never so much.
My brother down there, a lot of people is here, but we're staying far from the crowd. See the crowd down there? And we're all the way up here. So we're here. We're gonna look some fries and some wings and come back. Alright, you guys. So there's Cubana. What is Cubana? I guess some Mexican thing. Express. Cuban. Woo! What's the woman's shirt with the big Jamaica written on it? You see it? The Cuban sandwich, Cuban nachos.
I like your hair.
Thank you. Look at this line. Fresh with no food additives. Which one else we're gonna visit? It's a Latin Bites. Bits. Which is it? So we're going through checking all the trucks to see what they have. That one behind us was Cuban something. So how there's no Jamaican truck? Me not understand. Where?
That was that Jersey City one.
Where is the
Listen, you didn't want to go.
It's them like that for long. Twisted steak, cheese with a twist. Cheese steak with a twist. No cheese steak. Me only would need the price for Sarah. But look at the line though. Line not too bad.
For which one?
If
Girl.
me want to have cheesesteak when I go to Philly. That's the only place I want cheesesteak from because I heard that Philly have the best cheesesteak. What is this one? Cuban and Puerto Rican cuisine. This one? We're going to look at this one.
Another empanada.
So hold on, all of them have empanada? Look at the ice cream truck line. I think it's the first time I'm eating empanada. I think so.
Is it?
I think so. Is it? What in France they call empanada, this is not what it looks like. It's more flat. I went to a restaurant last week and I took empanada on the menu for starter, and this is not what it looks like, but that's what it was
But
called.
that's more traditional empanada.
Okay. And the one that I took was beef. And this is good. I took half beef, half chicken. So I'm having traditional empanada chicken. Tastes good. Nikki have cheese. So I'm gonna taste half of Anika on. Bite it again now. Yes. You see, it's juicy, don't it? It tastes really nice.
Alright, fine.
Say it tastes good.
Taste the cheese.
Okay, let me taste the cheese. Okay, here goes the cheese. No. The chicken all day.
Really?
I taste the beef from them, and babe would love this. In comparison to all three, I prefer the chicken. Bomb. The chicken is bomb. The cheese is okay, but the chicken. Wait, my back. The chicken one make me want dance. Well, this line is moving. It's very long though. There's a lot of people out here. Let me show you guys what the line look like. So we're going to that truck up there, the green truck. It's called Smoke Roll, and that's the line. See that line? This line right here is ice cream line. Look at this line over here. This line is another ice cream line too. This line here is another ice cream line. You guys, 1 hour later and I'm still standing in line. Might as well I just go in the car and go to a fast food and pick up some fries. Still in line. Still in line, shorty. You guys, we had to run away, leave the food to catch the fireworks. Woo! Tyler is sleeping. Wow!
I didn't even look at the fireworks.
And Sarah. Yeah. Fireworks. Sit, Sarah, look.
I'm missing every bit. Tai sleeping through it. Look at Tyler sleeping, you guys. Look at Tai sleeping. Wow. This is so nice. Wow. Wow. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I could watch this all night. Real 4th of July experience. Look at that. Yes. Wow. Woo. Yes, Sarah. You see fireworks? Wow. You guys, this fireworks going on for about 10 minutes. 10 minutes. 10 minutes or more. And what time now?
No, it's 20 minutes almost.
Really?
Yeah.
Wow. 20 minutes.
22 minutes.
Oh, it's gonna go for 22 minutes?
Oh, it has gone.
No, it has gone.
Okay. Yeah. Oh, wow. Wow. OMG. Look at that. It's a continuation for me. Oh my God. Woo! 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 That was good. That was good.
You guys, look at my eyes. Look who's joining me to end the vlog.
Me, myself.
Mr. USA in his red shirt and blue pants.
Oh. Gina blue. Top is red just to match Tyler. So. Oh, is when you tell me to put him in red and blue, you just.
It was intentional.
Okay, I didn't even pay attention.
So you didn't know why I tell you to put on a red shirt?
No, just let you know.
Anyway, you guys,
I
we
said maybe
had
you
an,
want to represent France. Red, blue, white. No.
No, not at all. I had a really good evening. Fireworks was lit. You enjoyed it?
I had a good time.
I should ask Tyler how it was.
Oh yeah, we need to ask him.
Tyler slept. Poor Tyler, his head was hurting him the minute we got there. So luckily I had his tablet, his medication in my bag, gave it to him, went to search for some food. By the time we got the food and come back, Tyler was out, knocked out,
Yeah,
sleeping.
he was complaining. I told him just lay down and fall asleep,
And he fell asleep through the entire fireworks, fell asleep in the car coming back home, and is in bed right now.
you need to rest. You don't rest during the day. So
Oh, yeah.
you need to rest.
Oh,
And tomorrow
yeah.
we're gonna have a long.
Tomorrow is gonna be a good day. I'm so looking forward to it.
We're gonna have fun.
I'm looking forward to it. So hope you guys enjoy 4th of July. We did. It's a good experience. I can check that off my list. 4th of July experience done. So I have Christmas to experience in USA. I have Halloween to experience in USA. What else I always say I want to experience? Thanksgiving to experience in USA. So 3 more things to go, and then I can say, okay, I've lived the
She finally
US
finished
dream fully.
along the way.
Along the way. Alright, you guys, give this video a thumbs up, comment down below, subscribe if you're new to the family, catch up and keep up. And tomorrow is another day of vacation, and of course we'll carry you guys along with us. So stick and stay. Make sure you turn on your notifications so you don't miss a video, and you might just be getting some extra videos on this vacation trip. You might never know. So we'll see you guys tomorrow.